In my previous video, I transformed an Akerbar Mini Greenhouse from Ikea into a real terrarium. In between videos, I had to address the lighting situation. I did that by buying this generic LED grow light off Amazon. It fits the width of the terrarium perfectly. And with this little plywood box that I built for it, it can just sit on top of it. In my vision of the terrarium, the background was covered completely with vines. So I went through my house and collected some clippings of plants that I already had. I put them in a transparent plastic box with damp moss to get some roots before I actually plant them in the terrarium. Turns out the rooting went really well and it was impossible to separate them one by one. So I had to take out the whole bunch and separate everything. And this is what I ended up with. 3 types of philodendron. The regular green one, micans and Brazil, 2 or 3 cuttings from a marble queen pothos, a little bit of moss, and of course ficus pumila. After planting the vines in the background, I decided to add only one more plant to the enclosure, which is this colorful phalaenopsis orchid. And this is how I transformed the Akerbar Mini Greenhouse from Ikea into a beautiful planted terrarium. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more similar content, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.